Hello, everyone. In this short video, we will introduce the Adobe Experience Manager Sites Graph Connector. We will cover the connector one-click setup, Copilot, and Copilot agent experience with the connector enabled. The new Graph Connector for Adobe Experience Manager Sites index published web pages effortlessly with a new quick setup experience. With the right admin privileges and pre-configured Adobe Experience Cloud Instance account credentials, the user can complete the setup in seconds. After creating the connection, adding connector description could help to enhance Copilot response. The Adobe Experience Manager Sites connector can also support custom setup in terms of content and crawl configurations. You can choose to include or exclude certain content paths to ensure that only the desired content is indexed and appears in the M365 search and Copilot results, such as input, *test*, to exclude all content whose data path string that contains the substring test anywhere in it. Check available properties from your Adobe Experience Manager sites. Assign a schema and semantic label to the properties. And use the Preview Results button to verify the sample values of the selected properties and filters. Configure full and incremental crawls frequency based on the scheduling options. This flexibility ensures data security and reliability, enhancing the overall search and Copilot experience. Our demo Adobe Experience Manager Sites instance serves as an employee portal website featuring corporate policies, benefits, new employee onboarding materials, and more. With the Graph Connector enabled, Copilot can read, understand, and answer questions based on the content of the published web pages in Adobe Experience Manager Sites instance. For example, if you ask Copilot, "Summarize new employee onboarding checklist," Copilot will help to summary health benefits based on our employee portal built by AEM sites and provide reference links. Click Suggested Prompt. Copilot will help to further summary more details. And you could also click the reference link to review the original web page. Integrating Adobe Experience Manager Sites connection as enterprise knowledge into the Copilot agent enhances its knowledge base, enabling it to deliver deeper insights and comprehensive support to users. Such as, we create the HR agent integrated with Adobe Experience Manager Sites to help employees to self-service find information on corporate policies, benefits, onboarding materials, etc., helping to reduce HR workload. This integration ensures agents can access and utilize information from enterprise knowledge effortlessly, share insights and updates, receive personalized recommendations, and stay informed with real-time data. Overall, it boosts productivity and fosters a more efficient and effective work environment.